So welcome guys to CarsKenya once again. So today we are featuring this 2018 Toyota Noah. This is the G grade, and under the hood you have this 2-liter petrol engine. This is the A3Z famous engine. You'll find it also on the Esquire as well as the Noah. So it's a very efficient engine when you look at such kind of an SUV. So basically today I'd like us to look at the practicality of this particular van. So if you're a business person, a family person, someone who is into executive taxi business, so this would be a very practical van for you, depending on maybe what you intend to use it. Looking at it, the spacious, it blends in comfort, luxury, and practicality very well. As you can see, you have plenty of leg room, and it has this flat floor kind of design for the 3 rows right from the front all the way to the back. So inside here, you have this simplistic kind of dashboard design, everything in place that is reachable and very practical. So down here, I have some of the safety features. You have your anti-collision mitigation system normally right under this driver's mirror. You have the automatic open and closing side doors, so I can open and close them from down here. Of course, you have your power windows. So these seats are pretty much comfortable, tailored for that long drive, even for those seeking maybe for something that is a daily user, for business or even for a family. So it's a very practical van. This is one of the best selling 7-seaters. Also, you can get it in 8-seater vans for the Kenyan market. Back here, this is the second row, but you can also have a 3-seater bench, so that it does an 8-seater kind of capacity. Very comfortable, very practical, luxurious at the same time. Either it's for family use, for business, or maybe a taxi executive kind of business, or even a hotel, chauffeuring guests to the airport and back to the hotel. So going to the backside, the boot area, there is also again the practicality that you can fold these 3rd row seats as well as the 2nd row seats and have more space. Down here you have plenty of space. You can put maybe part of your shopping or anything that you like to carry. So it's a very practical family SUV, and here at CarsKenya we are able to help you be able to secure such. Either you want a Noah or a Voxy or an Alpha or a Velfire or Serena or even the L Grand. It depends on your taste, it depends on your style, it depends on what you desire most. And here at CarsKenya, visit us at Bishop Magwa Center, right opposite former Uchumi, and let's see what we can be able to get you moving with.